60% of us Americans grind our teeth every single night. So that's why when you go to the dentist, they're always recommending, oh, you need a night guard. Why? I don't have any problems. You need the night guard because at night you're grinding, and I promise you, 99% of you never know you're grinding. And the way they discovered that so many of us were grinding was doing sleep studies for sleep apnea, where they videotape you and you're laying there in the middle of the night in your sleep, and they go, look at this person grinding their teeth. Oh my gosh, we got it on video. So that's how they discovered that 60% of us are grinding our teeth every night. And when you do that much grinding, it affects this joint. It breaks teeth, it wears teeth, it pounds on the gums, it causes all kinds of problems. So dentists want you to wear a night guard to protect your teeth, and it's also kind of like a crutch for the joint. If you're having TMJ problems and you go to your dentist and they recommend a night guard for your TMJ, it will usually help. And in fact, I'm going to say in my practice, about 75-80% of them that wear their night guard, all their TMJ problems clear up. Their headaches go away, their pop goes away, they feel much better. TMJ is a vicious little animal, and a lot of us are doing it, and I think a night guard would help almost all of you. Come see me and we'll analyze that, and we can make you one if you need one.